Hey everyone, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. I'm sure you can only imagine what I'm doing today. Repairing our roof. We had a windstorm back in July. It was tornado warnings and stuff like that. And needless to say, some of the shingles came off. I put this roof on, this one right here, I put that on 2002, somewhere in there. I know it's got to be at least 20 years old. So I can't complain to anybody but myself why this roof did not hold up. And this is dimensional shingles, but it's not leaking or nothing like that. It's in the garage, so I guess it's just time to fix it before the snow flies. So we'll just get right on it. And I got extra shingles. Since I'm not very good in measuring how many square feet of shingles I needed, I got a lot. So that's quite all right. I thought I'd never be up on this roof again doing this, but at least I know how to do it. Woo. There we go. This I might have to cut because that folded up. What better day? I mean, it's nice out. It's like 50 degrees out. 50, 55. Somewhere in there. Gonna have to offset that. Like so. It's not gonna be perfect, but double. Plus, you know, the other thing is, I was 20 years younger when I did this. So, oh well, no big deal. I've roofed plenty of houses. Gonna have to pop this one up. Got a little carried away. Man, it's hard on my knees. Like I said, 20 years ago. Comes the mail. Gotta get my... Oh, he forgot something. Happens all the time. Yep, next door neighbor. Alright, now I can put that nail back. Yeah, I remember putting this roof on. It took me the whole summer. You know, when it's 80, 90 degrees. I mean, it's nice up here just being in the 50s. So, all right. Gotta quit putting 2 nails in there. Hang on, you're not going nowhere. And I could be doing something wrong. I'm no expert at this. I don't play one on TV either. Is that gonna measure out perfect? Good deal. So far I didn't have to cut any. All right, we're moving along. Moving right along. This can be saved if I should. Do one more once. Boy, I have knee pads. I should have brought them on, put them on. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to finish this. I'll show you the finished product. I don't need to keep running the camera and boring you to death. Got the idea. I just have to finish doing this. So I'll show you the finished roof. Hang on. Okay, got her all done. It's not perfect, it's not pretty, but hey, it's done. I know a little bit over there needs a little trimming, but it's on the overhang, so no big deal. But yeah, I think it took about 15 shingles, 15, 20 shingles, something like that. And nailed her down. So I know this roof's going to need to be repaired or replaced in the next couple of years. Excuse me. And then that's going to be a tear off. Complete tear off, because there's 2 layers on here already. Complete rip. And probably some plywood or whatever underneath. So, but yeah, that should do it. It was from here all the way to the edge. Luckily I had some shingles left from when I did the job. So, all right, that should do it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is how I repaired the roof. Like I said, it's not pretty, but it'll do the job. And follow me on Instagram. and we'll have some more videos coming out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time.